We're Bob and Leanne Harris, and this is Decorative Concrete Institute. At Decorative Concrete Institute, we believe in three things: education, passion, and love. Love for each other and love for the industry. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, we offer the knowledge and the tools to help you succeed in all decorative aspects. Let's take a look at what we have to offer. Our stamped concrete class is very diverse. Oftentimes we'll get repeat students that are already successful in the stamped concrete arena, and so we have to continue to stay on our toes and raise the bar. And we cover items such as subgrade preparation, proper forming techniques with elevations, and we get heavy into the mix design. The scoring, staining, and design class covers many different aspects of the business. We run through a host of different avenues in which you can get good floor designs, and then you take that concept and you transfer it onto your canvas. In this case, the canvas is our concrete slab. Oftentimes at Decorative Concrete Institute, we'll bring in guest instructors, which was the case at this foam core vertical carved concrete class with Nathan Giffen from Vertical Artisans. We always talk about design elements like these hand sculpted stepping stones. We get into creating an outdoor kitchen. We've also covered things like the fire pit that you see, which is all vertical carved concrete. At our countertop class, we're going to teach you both the precast and the cast in place method. During the class, we'll cover items such as different texturing techniques and a multitude of different coloring techniques as well. And while casting in place, you'll learn how to produce an ultra smooth finish via hand finishing. At our polished concrete class, we're going to teach you the importance of understanding the canvas that you're about to polish. There are so many variables that ultimately influence the final result, such as floor flatness, floor levelness, any finishing deficiencies, and possibly there's some curing differential as well. We'll teach you how to overcome those obstacles. Also, we'll get into beginning, intermediate, and advanced designing and coloring techniques, as well as teaching you how to make seamless repairs and patches.
At the end of the day, our industry is about inspiration. We'd like to thank Joshua Russell for carving our story into this concrete wall. This is Bob's father passing the torch to him. He's a third-generation concrete finisher and very proud of it. This tells our story of the uphill battles in life where you got your back to help you get up over that hump. Our students come here for education. They spread their wings and they fly with their knowledge and create their own story. We'd also like to thank Miami Burgess for future inspirations for our students. With many years of experience and our love and passion for the industry, in 2001, Bob and I decided to create Decorative Concrete Institute to continue the education and training. All of our students that come here aren't just students, they become part of the DCI family.
As a young man, I was told, in order to be the best at your craft, you need to apply yourself and surround yourself with the best. That person that gave me that advice was my father, Robert J. Harris, who was one hell of a concrete finisher. In 2014, I joined the firm Structural Services Incorporated and later became a partner with them. SSI is a group of industry consultants that deal with all slab construction, whether it's slab on ground or slab on metal deck. And we get into mix design, how the concrete's placed and finished and cured and ultimately polished. Those job site experiences have really enabled me to be able to share those experiences with our students. If you want to incorporate stamping, stained, scored, and designed concrete, vertical carving, countertops, or polished concrete,
We've got your back. Come visit us at Decorative Concrete Institute.